Yes, come in.
Hello, everyone. My name is Khabibulina.
Nice to meet you. Please sit down.
Thank you. Here is my CV.
Thank you. So you're here for the job of receptionist, I can read.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Let's begin with a small introduction about yourself.
I'm a student from Belgrade State Research University from Russia. Now I participate in an exchange program in Hanze University in Netherlands. I'm 20 years old and I'm looking for a job and I would like to get this job, receptionist.
Okay, so this is your last year of your bachelor degree?
Yes, it's my last year, but I study not like a bachelor. I study like specialized. We have a little bit different system in Russia.
Okay, okay. How did you find that job?
I tried to find something on the internet, and I already knew about your branch of hotels. So I visited your website, and I saw this vacancy in the website.
Okay, and what about our company? What do you know about us?
I know that it's a very huge branch of hotels all over the world, and I know that you're looking for very enthusiastic people for getting jobs. So I think I can get this job. I mean, if you will be interested with me. So
okay, and yeah. What do you think? Why do you think you will be good for this job, not another one?
I already have, as I wrote in my CV, I already had experience in a hotel, but it was not like a receptionist. It was in a bar department, the restaurant department. I was a bartender, but I also I also got a very nice experience because it was a lot of people from different countries, and I should show with them. So it was like I had also good communication with all these people. So I think I also can be like a receptionist.
Okay, which language do you speak?
I speak English, of course, Russian, and a little bit German, Turkish, and now I try to learn Dutch language also.
Okay. Do you have the advantage of future colleagues?
What I can tell exactly is that I can work with different kind of people, so it's no problem for me. I think I have good communication skills for communicate with all people. So I think I don't have some points for other colleagues. So.
Okay, and do you find it hard to work under time pressure or to do extra hours like in hotel we do?
I understand that if I will get this job, I have to work a lot because tourists will come every time. I mean, in the night, in the evening, early morning. So it's okay. It's okay for me to work extra. Okay. But I also understand that if I have both, I will have some pressure, and if I will have, I don't know, some working troubles, I can solve that. It's also, I think, it's also pressure. So it's okay.
Okay, and can you give me an example when you showed your strengths and, for example, initiative during working time?
I didn't have a lot of working experience. I mean, difficult experience. But what I can tell you, it was when I showed my initiative. It was during my classes in university when we had when we should make projects, for example, and all my group mates they're very smart guys, but sometimes they need leaders. So at this time I had to be leader and I had to show my skills which can help to make this project excellent. So at this time I did it. I think I showed this initiative.
So I can see that you have many strengths, but what about your weaknesses? Because nobody's perfect. So what are your weaknesses? Give me two your weaknesses.
I think sometimes I can be too energy, and in one time it can be Yeah, it can be my positive side, but sometimes if I have to do a lot, I can't look at only one object. For example, I want to do everything at the same time,
Okay.
and it's not good for. It means that I want to do everything faster, but I know exactly that I have to do the first thing and then second thing,
Okay.
which I need to do. So
Okay.
I think that's my weakness.
Okay, good. Okay, do you have any question about our company, our way of living here, our branch, our hotel?
Mm. I really want to know which kind of customers do you usually have? I mean, from which countries? Because when I had my experience in a Turkish hotel, it was almost uh, uh, Russian people and Turkish people. So that's why I'm so interested about that.
Okay, so this job is a receptionist on Jersey, you know, the little island of England. So mostly they are English, French, but also we have new customer like Russian also, and mainly European customers. So this is the same behavior, not Russian. They expecting more luxury, but mostly it's European customers. So they come by boat mainly. So we offer boat services and something like that.
I understand. Okay. And you know what I also want to ask you is about some program or courses which you can offer to your employees, for example, for my career development or just personal development.
Okay, so you have to know that in our branch we offer personal training. So for your first month of a job, you will have a mentor. So you will have your, I don't know, a colleague who will just show you all the tips, all you have to know. If you have any question, you can ask your mentor, and also you will have a yearly appointment with me to speak about your career in our company. And if you wish, we can do that more oftenly. Okay. So if you have any problem, we can speak directly. There is no, this is no horizontal hierarchy. This is not vertical. So we can speak to each other directly.
Okay, thank you. It's very nice because before when I told you before when I had my experience in another hotel, it wasn't possible to communicate directly with the boss.
Okay.
And I also have one more question about possibility to if I would like to. I mean, is it possible to change hotel in your branch? For example, from JC to another place, to from.
It's compulsory to stay at least 1 year in the hotel.
Okay,
so
okay.
after your year in Jersey, you can go in Europe, and after 2 years in Europe, you can go worldwide. Okay.
Okay, okay. I understand. Thank you.
So that's all.
Yeah, I think it's all what.
Okay, so I will recontact you if you have the job, but I think you're a good candidate.
Thank
so
you.
thank you.
Thank you. You have my number, telephone
Yeah.
number, so I will wait for you for your call. Thank you.
Bye.